Saturday morning, but I'm a California girl. I love the beach. So I think it's time we take a little vacation and head to Amity Island from the world of Steven Spielberg's Jaws. I know what you're thinking. Wasn't there a bit of a shark problem? There was, but we've got it all sorted out. Ignore that beach closed sign right there on your left. We have been given the good to go. We can let our hair down. I hope you brought your swimsuits and your towels because I am ready to swim. Look, there the shark is right there. We have nothing to worry about. He is out of water. He can't possibly be a threat to us. And we've even got somebody diving already. Oh, it looks like they missed a shark. Okay. Hey, buddy, there's a shark in the water. You might want to get back to the boat. I don't know if you see it. Seriously, dude, you're gonna want to listen to me. There's a shark in the water. Oh. Whoa. A slow, painful death. He's really fighting it. Get stuck. Somehow he survived, but I don't think we'll have that same fate. So maybe we're gonna skip out on that beach vacation. I've never seen it get stuck before. I think we'll be safe here. Sharks can't get you when you're near water, right? Here he is to tell you more.
If you want to watch the full version, click this video on the left. Finally, thank you for watching and see you later.